In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix or change your address or search bar location on Firefox mobile browser. As you can see, I have my search bar below here and I'll wish to move it on top. So if you are facing the same issue, then follow the steps to fix this. Now, to change the location for your address bar or search bar on Firefox is pretty simple. Just tap on this ellipses. So for your case, if it is on top here, you should see the same. Just tap on the ellipses and then go to settings. From settings, head over to customization and scroll down to address bar location. You can see currently it is set to bottom. I'll wish to move it to top, so I just choose top here and then it is done. So if I go back, now we should find our address bar on top here on our Firefox browser. So that's how you can change your address bar or search bar location on Firefox mobile app. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.